Our story today is on the airplane. Sarah boards the airplane with her carry-on bag. She finds her seat and stores her bag in the overhead compartment. She sits down and fastens her seatbelt ready for the flight. A flight attendant welcomes her and offers her a magazine. Sarah looks out the window as the airplane starts to taxi. She feels a mix of excitement and nervousness about flying. The engines roar to life and the airplane speeds down the runway. Sarah grips the armrest as the plane lifts off the ground. Once they reach cruising altitude, Sarah relaxes a bit. She takes out her book and starts reading to pass the time. The flight attendants being the beverage service. Sarah orders a coffee and thanks the attendant. Sarah enjoys her coffee while continuing to read. Occasionally, she glances out the window at the clouds below. The captain makes an announcement about the flight path and weather. Sarah listens carefully and feels reassured by the information. After a few hours, Sarah feels a bit restless. She decides to take a walk to stretch her legs. She moves down the aisle, smiling at other passengers. After a short walk, she returns to her seat, feeling refreshed. As the plane begins its descent, Sarah puts away her book. She fastens her seatbelt and prepares for landing. The airplane touches down smoothly on the runway. Sarah feels relieved and excited to reach her destination. Let's learn some new interesting words for improve your English. Number 1, carry on. A small piece of luggage that a passenger can carry onto an airplane. Number 2, taxi. To move slowly on the ground before taking off or after landing. Number 3, cruising altitude. The height at which an airplane flies for most of a flight. Number 4, beverage. A drink, especially one other than water. Number 5, descent. The act of moving down to a lower place or level, especially before landing. Thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe my channel.